front of me I've got Xiaomi Redmi Note 11. In this video I'll show you all unlock methods. In the beginning, let's enter Settings and go to Passwords and Security. Enter Screen Lock. Confirm with your current screen lock and select between pattern, PIN and password. Let's select PIN. Enter PIN. And let's use it to unlock the phone. When it's done, we can select password. Set your password with at least 4 characters and use it to unlock the phone. And now let's select pattern. Once it's done, we can set up face unlock. And simply scan your face in this area. Now my face is scanned, I can use it to unlock the phone. And the last method to unlock the phone is fingerprint unlock. Let's add fingerprint. And our fingerprint sensor is right here. And that's it for unlock methods. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.